Nansentem one na Pastor Mario tire first pa on Facebook but I say and na kakra die Bishop General I want do pa I don't want throw tree dia 12 kama and they will pm on Facebook walande all den or say my how Mr. Mesa medikai din Bishop General, I see you. Veronica Ewadia. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Good afternoon, Vero. Afe Obiba Kizi. I say hello, Jerry. I'm watching you live from Laboni Coffee Shop. Greetings and come here, Obiba Empress. Oh, Jordan. And then Nelson Adeti. From Adeti Shoes. Kit Kat dance, man. I see you. Aviti Sina. I see Jerry New. Right, Jerry New. Someone does say good afternoon, Jerry. Pastor Mario's in a Twasano. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Thank God it's Friday. I feel Angela Mensa. I say good afternoon, brother Jerry. Sarah Pinzo. I say good afternoon, everyone. Manuel GH. I say hello, Brad Jerry. Good afternoon. Doing the listening here in Accra. Uni J Fashion Company. I feel Andy Sammy Dusty. I say a day. Emmanuel Akon. I say hello. Hobby Blanks. I say hello, good afternoon. Kofi Asada said good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Emmanuel Akon. I see you. Akosia Dolina. I see you. I say good afternoon. Johnny Yao Eisa. They watch me. Into whoa now Trasana. Wait now. If you are gifty Mensa, I say good afternoon, brother Jerry. And then Peter Della say, hey, blah jelly. Nina, be a major so. Catherine Texan. I also say good afternoon, Papa Jerry. Esther. Podogbi. Maybe I'll me born from. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. You're looking good. Happy Friday to you. Dennis Mensa said, Jerry. Jerry 1, good afternoon. Jesus. Baby, I will be joining you on Facebook. Says here, Enchebia. Your boy room. Now the videos of our time are trash on my patcho. And the videos of our time or no? Hey, JJ. We there Friday videos of our time, pa. Nana, I see you. Greetings. Yes, one wonderful brother, pa. Now, and the videos of our time, no. We have Friday videos of our time. Now, and that day, no. You be here our drink, show. Asim bisaka kra when the videos of our time no eti and then no mema one year biem ama me ha said the bear metimi akai mo comment now about the video eti patcho baby I will be joining me on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM na fe ene videos of our time no yen share video no me share dan kasa ho che wa share video no we a question na me bisa no na wa wrong comment ne dey aba I will read them. In the meantime, our Sanka Flora disposable handkerchief, they used to be better than the usual cloth handkerchief. Yeah, and on a show botum, or people you are negotiating, baby, James, you didn't know there be guy. Sala and a trim and your guy beam. Mount Sanka Flora disposable handkerchief. We back all the paper, we are no attraction it. There be a now what come. You're on a crow, so it fits into your purse, your pocket, or your bag, your handbag. easily cry ne bon so nyeden available town baby adodo pound for Delta Paper Mill Limited 0243 033 033 Flora better than cloth handkerchief afe Dominion about powder enra na yene manager Ken edi nko na hu amanfo dance di on the buy eye pa pebinum na mo na immune system na ho nyeden embo sign normalize or blood pressure ma na BP no bibribe a wonom ne ade na to atimi atwa de ama what you say heart or kidney related problems in the ifio was pine ya na mu dwuze ya we adwuma keto abi so atebre we die mba bia stroke and diabetes ni na e pampam no for any chim na na bo ache heba Hallows Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Tema 25, Repatch Ventures, a honina, Ubenia Biaton, yes, I should Angel Dominion about Center, Shark Crown Coco, Ober Friend Dinkitan 0543 158 195, and now 020 429 6449. Now, only a Dinkitan Kama. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Obasima seal, SUA seal strong kwende AGI and the Ghana Standards Authority akabom diaba. Na de ye ne se ya hwe ahuse nuane bebre okromu a obedi abo afuruma kama enso ahoden esese onya furum no onsa enka saa ahoden efrimu ne senti na nei no ye de eye nuane nuro sonko ahyehye food products bi ni ho e wo market eti nei ukokrom na akoto eye food products bia na hu se Obasima seal no choose that one. This one say containing 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Very good for body nepa. Eti obi a make sure say o marketer food products out no e be there e wo Obasima seal no wo ho. E de ma obi bia etitu ye nuanom be. Go on, choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. Good. Afa ye we say dia ene na ye be call videos of our time. By kind courtesy, Infinix Hot 10T phone no ye guy heavy power. Now it was 6.8 H2 HD plus big video gaming display. It is our book games was so now show videos was no ade no. Yes. Your channel 5,000 mAh battery capacity. To be book games was rush movies near the answer na still battery jam say go yi. And na CPU na dem no so heavy. And tis all the book games no show videos near the ade na. E run faster pa. Bibia sharp. And breaking so. The ohia na machechi mu akire we. Timon Sanka the Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM. Yeah, ton of 788 Ghana cedis only. And I pay Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM. And also you're talking about 888 Ghana cedis only. Now, and they Infinix and can't you say there are some amazing stuff waiting for you. And now if you're Infinix Hot series no emu ede bentin hwe nim kwan se won so nsa ebe kan dem. Ani ka sam se si aye ka say se wo ko eye any accredited Infinix shop bia nationwide na okoto de a o achede aye de techi de ama wo oto eye Infinix Hot 10T na obenya gift bi say crossbody bags afi sports bottles ahodo max any achede pi na tibomode ama nsa enka ode Infinix. The future is now. Yada omo ase omo adama ye borum na videos of our time and ye no watch video no ete se utimi borum e wo Facebook o sisi a video no mi yinche nya video ye tenten bi asa enwa na de omu no se me bisa wo ye question de me be yi a kire wi anya bi a men ka se ye wa na mmom se wo ko situation eti se mu a anka se brema katachie pa se wi obehwe ama oyire ede wafasa ekwan yi eso ana eno eni asembisa etimpacho borum e wo Facebook sisi a na yenhwe video no now enchemu kakra ta video achi kire se abrante na hu no video no nanim ema na ne to if you na se de ba be do ne to side o kakra na e ba ne to no ankasa kura ni na hye dama and na ne wife nso who ne wife if you na se ade ba de be kan atade na no kakra na omu ana wa show up kakra na okọ omu ana show up kakra na ekọ eti hu hye dan hu ni yi banchemu ni kye say abrante no in the video no otwa you take kakra Charlie you know video abrante ni twa no kakra say o ten kakra bi na o ten ye no na wan very fortunate and the wife actually no say we twa ten kakra me che say o fa ne nachi sa enim ne ho na menim say na abu kofa chiro sa ede enti o fa ne nachi na o fa ne nachi anere echi no ho punishment say ebe na onye biem no ene say esese na yire utimi ehwe na ogwa no papa ogwa no ankasa proper one bi na jeko fa video ni tum na amafo amaba eye Facebook no mo hwe video no said the woman no edi cane ehwe ni kunu pa for cheating on hey hwe no mapa piao say I didn't have to cheat on me. I didn't have to. Now question and say next Friday me jo adwen share on Facebook o bo house is here. Say you want na be ma ya. E na wako cheating na o wife achewa. Now wife so be show say the ogwa man hwehwe. O twa na de no won to na akwa na hwi. O do ya no de afani na kokuma. O de born to there ya no be sorry to. Na kwa ne to no so say de atie ni di ye de adomo yi ni ato ho kakra ye pese obehu say the man to abobo.
I see a party.
I can't trouble, boy. Yeah, person who's there. I can't trouble, boss. I didn't. Yeah, the Aduma not to so kakra there. Oh, yeah, the Aduma from Luguna. But Ube was a beat his new coso. Now, and your Bema national, and a wife. And now, okay, in his ano for cheating on her. Now, question and say, so what? And I say we are told. And I was cheating on your wife. What charm? Now wife watch you. No say punishment or the man say obey you say. Now would you now old child to my pa came piao say ya. Would you agree and take this punishment from your wife? Or and Kabeka say on pay different punishment you mama really. If I try me comment on Facebook as you watch the video, hey. Had a shana cannot define now cook me one man now so. And if you on the corner to try to run all the Sakotani to say yes. Why feed your buffo pan or de caning on or chanachim prepama. The two now you crow. We are on one the best me man who says I call you what me born no she or born no she. Anyway, enti major wadrin channel on Facebook. And the videos of our time there. Somebody catch you say, "A toda na ye di biya series." And then Friday, say ya wa. And now ye be mana. And now wako twa ho. And now wife acho. And now okay news say pa say the wako wi akromfo wako wi ade na ye twa ne ma say ya. Obe prince sa. I take isa and now accept punishment we. And now say nka be opt for a different punishment. Mami who is here on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM for Adrian Tour. The Beckin Kindness is here. Abusuatie. So obeto fuela aya tofi eye goil. Esan say ukọ eye goil fuel station biemu across the country a. Abonkele fuel no ebi ni ho. Say fuel bi abeto goil fuel station bia no. Eye specially treated fuel and ye digu kan mu no. E di amount. Enhanced fuel papa. Yes, tried and tested, proven and accepted. Suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. Yes. Now the end you can say, yeah, the South superior qualities in Naton China. Goil higher grade fuels, no. You sign up 45 no. With the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer. I am more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. Mount Sanka Goil higher grade fuel CB. Say a year Goil Super XP Run 95. And now Goil Diesel XP. Yet every Goil fuel station BMU, not just selected stations. So fill up with Goil higher grade fuels. Ajibabia Goil good energy. Goil yeah dim. Now face the dia mekano. Say a more and now be dia. Ma enye Royal Aroma fortified rice. And no any the first fortified rice in Ghana. Nutrients room say iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12. Every serving of Royal Aroma fortified rice biano amount at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients. Two bedi moi, aden na kope fufu bi e wabra udi eye Royal Aroma fortified rice. Unya hode mapa e de free mo. Taste no so de yi pa. E available market baby amansan kan de dio. Hey tio. Me do no. Hey tio. Yeah. MTN say kasa. Nekasa. Don't worry about the cost of the call. It's not say you pay for only the first minute of your call and the rest is absolutely free. Obesa enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free. And once you signing up, Abra will dial *550#. Now what's subscribe to MTN free after one, then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Abusia, by Ken Ketsi, Ningo Pram District Assembly, and in the partners, with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, and the UN Habitat, the Planned City Extension Project. So I must say, rent to own, Abagana. Yes, rent to own. So to me, look sharp because where you live and where you trade matter. And they'll be to me only Ofie and now fully serviced commercial land or space. Wabra wokon kakran. Gusu tuatua ase rent ya wutua na bosome no na agbehu ana abeya wo dia. Mema rent so be journey affiliate housing cooperatives no. Application in Demua for the special lifeline offer. A copy may the 31st of October 2021. It on the and patro phrase 055-5530-300. A phrase 0577-911-101. And now 055-705-4635. Website a newaccra.city. The Planned City Extension Project, shaping Ghana's urban future. Francano, Kwakuati. I'm out for a trauma on Facebook, but yes, you this year. Some of the comments are very interesting. And that's why we are not sharing to me, pa. Now, me will baby kakra na be PAC abontin pa na say what a wow. A boss ane shane sana ma saka ye Royal Drinks ibisa. Now I free. Unya chilled one no sana. Ubo wi anu ai. Yo. Abo wi ana o hwe left and right I say obi ben what is why. Yo. We should not be doing your very fast. Sorry. Royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, and then royal cocktail. We nominate perfect flavors now we here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. She also say we a quality product if you Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. For bulk purchase now, our phrase 0262 351 251 and our fee 0272 133 373. Yentie san kai boy quickly na fi yentwa enwom no so. We the 6th Mobile Annual National Conference 2021. Nyame Adom ochina Saturday the 22nd of May. And baso den anopa 10. And asa she it take place at the Asbury Danwell Chapel Methodist Church Ghana Conference Office, Wesley House. Now I'm just say the conference will be done via Zoom. It's Zoom link in the uburum http / and unim said bit.ly/MANC 2021 Zoom link and not so. Now pre-conference registration link and also http my friend saying bit.ly/2021 MANC RSVP. Not just say sa link na ujine mu no. We a general meeting for all old boys of Infantsipim. Kwabotwe osedwen hwekan eno ho asem eno no. Me patrol bebre and kabo we so very very important. Me we pet na me ko Facebook account kan am for comment no. Yeah. What? From the 1st of March, at the copim the 9th of March, we'll take the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccination. No, the patrol. Second dose now ready. Men ye bia. Emma deni new wist. Emoye kasa. Cause I didn't amount for PB. Crowd munyango. Now they wait me on first one and second one aba. One I didn't year complete prequan. Moti to a more train the patrol. Yes, shall say. Nanu could de ya and reyechi. Any a chassis. Me ma call me the Wednesday nana me way. A patrol. Moamodi can take him first dose no. Mon corner monko for second dose in count precon. A 26th May 2021. We and Kaibo we come on for war Ayawaso Central Municipality no imu. Say the various places are now say vaccination centers now moko eku take him first shot no. Second one monko na monko take na infio kama. Now we know cover the following category of persons: frontline health workers, teachers at public and private facilities 50 years and above, persons with underlying health conditions, persons 60 and above, frontline security personnel, frontline members of the executive, legislature and judiciary, and a media for team patrol. Oh, first one be na could take his second job no count precuna infio na bibia enye kama. Yena must be brave. I feel young room on Facebook na yen share. Amount for adventure our moron at the far. Abaywe ya or shit new queen. Shani Kimpa. Sarah Kamasa or say good one. Command the head, they'll make us a good comfort. You are on the visa. Say, Jerry, how are you? I'm fine, pal. For remarks or us, hey, some girls are wicked, though. I will not allow. I will not allow here to meet. I'm say beating no command meet. Okay, I got you. Ernestina Amwa. Or see maybe the woman is the breadwinner. He can't bring anything home. So he needs to take the punishment. Yes, and stay there. Yes, I are. It's our support number. And also a point, pa. If you making obey na wasn't done be of you. What's a good home? And then there's a shop for heavy power. Doris Wilson, I said, Jerry, the woman has no right to do that to the man, no matter what the man Miss Ramada, Munya break a cramamina, make us a mere kind commentary and our comments now, but not most more yes and more round trust to say, yeah. You man bed in we didn't cry. Facebook idea I'm reading from Facebook here in power. The moment they realize all kind of I feel amount for the messages in the bam, if you won't say and was a school is out said it will be natural. Okay, let me try one more time. Wow, oh no. Gladys, I'll say Anto. I'll say I don't know why the man agreed to be flogged by the wife. I will never do that. I don't think. Oh, they are kind of called. Oh, messages is to so power. I'm a mama wrong idea. If I try that from now going, will be funny. The baby. The dynamic kind of on the buyer. I'm with the woman kind of. Kwashiga Ishmael. I said this woman is a math teacher. I said, math teacher, so many can bow. Hey, or best shoes is yeah. 3 + 1 minus but pew. Or best shoes is yeah. Janet. Etu. Na eto. Ono so say oh, let me crank as and also call Patricia GH or say he deserve it pa. Afe Agoti Queen. I'll say good afternoon, Jerry. If I were to be the man, I would rather accept to wash the White House instead of this. I got you. Someone to ask about the White House, yeah? Okay. Princess Aku will say, this is very bad. But she should have, sit him down and ask why he did that. For the beatings, it doesn't solve the problem. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please. 19th May was my son's 1 year. That's first anniversary. Oh, they are kind of called Yehovah. Kojo West, I'll say, I'll say, this job, I don't think men can stop doing this job unless we die. Cheating, wow. Okay. And they say, guess maybe shots are talking as a goofy. One best shumos. Pa Kofi agree. Pa, me body now message no call. Peter Dotte or say this is too much power. James Kwesi or say I will not do that. I will not do it. Or say I will do it just to bring peace in the house. If that is what she wants. Oh, okay. And also Ofie Dennis Asari. And also I say or should you maybe if East Lagos or say or no accept with that. Benjamin and Kwame JC. I say Jerry Sen come in here, Papa now. Oh, I'll just keep quiet and take the lashes and be with my wife. But when she also offends me in a way, then I'll also decide what kind of punishment that I'll give her. Emmanuel Butcher Hagen or say, what punishment? A puto on the arm principle. Maybe as someone said he deserves it. That's the only way to deliver him from being a cheat. Yehovah. Apia Emmanuel said the man deserves it. Hey, no. Richard Derry was a happy birthday. As a happy birthday, no, or the Linda Engman. Oh, okay. And I'll say tomorrow is my birthday to you. So, okay, and then happy birthday to you in advance. I feel part zone on so say good afternoon the encha and or the eba here. Faustina Ampoma also so the man will fire later and hey see na say no I go nyan to on me fire later. Azuda awene bo Boma Docas udin mabubu mukura fa cheme wa na anohye I say that's a very I say that's very good because of you no because you go around sleeping with different ladies. Then when you get infections, then you come and sleep with your innocent wife in the house. Then she will also get infected. Then it's a sorry. I say one of the idea bed you are to yeah, trust me, anymore. Sandra, or say, please repeat the video. My phone went off. And then what Kelly Smith, or say, I'll remind her of the Gospel of Solomon. So, I don't know the baby and what they are guess. And also, Esther Kwachua Amekuzi. Say Jerry, this cannot be true. Abba. Now she could say assessing. Maybe I'll tell us I say more. Men will always be men. Agbo Moses or say, let us empower our ladies to discipline those men from going wayward. Bravo. Oh my. Kelvin AJ or say like I would not agree cry. No. I face Simon Hendrick or no so I say Brad Jerry he deserves it too. Yeah. Comments no dozen. Sure. What you doing? Assassino, figlio da già così buono. E non cazzato come ti sia quanti, non ti culibeba. E non cazzato come ti sia quanti, non ti culibeba. E culibeba. Say no way. I was just be about share somewhere edit you on for na we Ofie Kwanso media so member rent fi say she bibiase from Wednesday and right twice so and then our concluding part no eba na che say yate yes afi ho says Scott so better say they are around the world in 5 minutes abroad so stay tuned man in koso da ya wa Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my good friend, the Western Regional GJA Secretary, who is also the Western Regional Correspondent for Metro TV and Finder Newspaper, Mr. Zambaga Rafrai, a.k.a. Zam. A happy birthday for me. May Allah bless him. We, if you're here, or Chamia Mwakuda Kwanche. Jerry, kindly help me wish Tina Ya Asamoah of Tema Community 11 a glorious happy birthday. Yes, may God bless her abundantly. And you're happy birthday more death. And come out Tina Ya Asamoah where the party at? Me unu so why? We both road to grab made in his happy birthday to you. And may God bless you, dear. Franca, no. Check your time now, 2 minutes after 4. Now I am trust now I am queer anymore. Hello, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish our mom and friend, Mrs. Abigail Kukua Dakwa, a happy birthday. May God bless her new age. From Ekuya Amponsan. Move on. Weekend way, Cape Coast weekend. If you know, you know. Weekend way, Osha boys, na Obi now Cape Coast. It's retchy. Obi a catch us all come from the Cape Coast or boy, or best of those or the weekend way, Cape Coast weekend. A beer the Canada that me point and not just that so straight Cape Coast. Yeah, go for back over V. Happy birthday going out to Jennifer of Santase, Kumase. You are 22 years old today. Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today. From Starboy of Achimota. And a happy 50th birthday going out to you, my super supportive mom, my prayer warrior, and my favorite girl, Mrs. Margaret Apple. I so much love you, Angel. Thanks for all you do and keep doing for me and the family. Thanks for making me a better human being. For all your sacrifices, the good Lord will remember you. Psalm 91 is for you. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your 50th anniversary. From your daughter, Stelcy Apple. Stacy Namniba, we are Stelcy. Stelcy. Nice one. So I say happy birthday going out to Nancy Amasewa Anson of Taifa, Burkina. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins, good health, long life and prosperity on your birthday from Nanan Kwantabisa. Good afternoon. Please, this is Kofi Samis' wife. Debbie, Mammy Mochi, and Miss Amrebi. Okay, so happy birthday, Encore Emma, Madame Mabel, Akpakli. Minimum binidi ani akpakli tina we akpakli. Madame Mabel Akpakli. Oh, you're nurse. Pram Polyclinic. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you long life and abundance of our grace to you. Wefi wow nyonko pa Abigail Osinyame Onsha on your birthday. Na me din komo kakra bi na fe ye a ye hwe asem ene ye de betu yon fro na ye sorry so apena se Scott atena se na ye de around the world in 5 minutes abro. Na say enyu bi twagu enyum na etwagu I say agiba bia ne ade a krofo kaka ho nsem a ne ade a na mehwehwe mu a na na why no na because asem no ka no a powerful message pa ne ade no abna kunadu nam say abna kunadu okay ene mama yehwe who is abna kunadu na yere eni nkomo akra BT wom Hello. What do you mean? Slow down for Jesus. Slow down for Jesus. Hey, Obia catch us with a powerful voice. What? No. Chese. And someone I'm busy on now. Come team. No. I'm being very honest.
Thank you.
A very powerful voice.
Thank
Seriously.
You.
powerful voice. And you see, I'm out for bar. On the Edumani Ayache.
Okay.
On one trying you more cotton idea, but on my studio no more twa. I have him now. You're more de tononia. Then they do a big one. I say, Ultimate note. What? Now, me pacho, and no best to be my man. And me feeling you that. But sitting here with me and singing it, with this powerful voice, my feeling more. But can be chair. I'm not gonna do no way.
Pacho me da se mitia itie for mu.
Itie for Joso.
Pacho eno nyam ni nyina ne say a whole title ne eno nyam. Yeah. Na adenti na make say eno nyam. Bibia ye beye wo wiase mu han nyina. Eye nyame adom na ma yetime de ye. Enti ye wia o say ye de eno nyam no ye de edema no. What I say because wo akasa wo
ye bebe no so ba one kasa wo abna kuna du no wo fi na all this while where were you?
Okay. Me abra kuna du me mama me fantini me papa ya asantini and mama me fie kunfio tom and mama me papa fi nkawe me abra kuna du aba ya afi na du
honorable kuntum lancing okay
abra kuna du like young woman waware awo oye ejuma wo insurance agent.
Oh, okay.
I feel I'm about industry no. I think just last month I started say a promo.
It did that then now the other.
Pachara me the tell you sorry.
What wrong I saw them one of you and us Debbie. I do and just a cash or them one.
Now I don't
some man saying to me.
I don't know her. Like sen I was okay. Because you baby I'll be as powerful voice. Yeah. And so to me back out now that.
Wow.
But me who send your membrane and brepa.
Wow. I don't usually do this, but as you see, my attention has been drawn to messages on Facebook and said the name about your voice. In fact, what people are saying over there. So quickly, in fact, I cry be film now. We also beautiful voice. Sylvette Amwa Ej and Okano say, and then Nancy Knox also nice song. At the past Samuel also said nice voice. Afe movie on Mina Akutu or say nice song. Sanso and Johnson Latte or say please tell my sister that she will go far because I love that song so much. You trust to be more Manuel GH or say this is so powerful and or say such an amazing voice. Patience Lomuti also on Facebook say I am proud of you. Benjamin Nana Kwame JC or say I am proud of her. Tell her senior brother Kwame JC and also so winner or ya daupa. Rosemont Nyame or say I'm inspired and Richard Derry or say sweet and powerful voice. Just say amazing comments and never make amazing now be cry message amazing with Nana Amajimfua Amono or say amazing voice and very inspiring. Simon Henrik and also say I really love her voice. Just a message ban eba Nana also Nana Roy I'll say I'm just in love with this song. Just say me kasa me kan I be kan amount for comments we even forget about the reason why you are here. The song is nice. You have a very beautiful voice, powerful one for that matter.
Thank you.
But tell us more. Ebanese now putting you together. Now earlier all kind of, but I wanted to know more about you. Now let's come to the song. Ebanese now put you this song together.
Okay. And you know I for my brabo mu. That chrome wo ha na me hwe nya ma sisi wo my brabo mu. Yeah. And I nyem ne ba mitrim. But ba mitrim no me de ko hu me manager. And on also the man crofobia. E mo keka nyema ye den esie ni. Nti enyum na nkasa de e abra konadu abra bomu sem na me de tro he abra konadu pasha me na me tro but nkofo bi keka ho na
na mo keka bomu. Wow. So the song is out there amanfo ne pebini ade a obi a benya bi. Okay, so catch you anye bia no is it just single year pen out there ban I say album be say hwedum kwan ehho asem to say.
No, you were full album.
Full album.
I think 2 years ago we started say record. You were full album. But for now no.
The way na about one thing.
Nti ye wo na ye video ni ade na na me be fa yefunu. And I was say me na me pese me ba na bedu baby no unya time awo ni ade nti no. Me decide say my main post so that bet me ba no 4 vim say me be ye promo no. Ahanti nyum ne dey be 2 years ago and nyum ne ye wie.
Oh, okay. So that means say and can yet pregnancy near boom now
ka because they were full album.
Wow.
They were full album.
But baby no way on.
I see said oh boy.
I don't say very important. Yes, but I love the song. It's nice. But tell us, what to do more so them one near the end of it. And then there be people who are not to say, only for baby and how is the feeling like?
Oh, just say, men I'm crying. If you will cry, who need me now at your phone or see abna. Me who say about when you Adom TV. I want I'm say me oh obi onim say abna couldn't do your nyum to need that no. It be more surprise. It be when you jam. Enti omo munim so obi so obeye adwuma ho license office onim say wutimi to yom sa eh koredo na wutimi to yom sa na the license office na obi afre me who to be so me share wo Facebook live like yeah bano Master Justice bro ma dwene me ti access
wow
obi frɛ me see me da na dwo me nya ko belisa me ko fa man bi nim me o say apuna me hwe wonyum na me si nya wo me si papa ye me a ninyi na che say omo encourage me nti ama ahoden ne kra me manager de ahye me no kra sa ya kese because ono so kra tin ya koso go for feedback how mo dey mayen
said the account manager my read me visa briefly because I'm on for Adom che dey npa ba nye dodo na na tibi ye very fortunate that mom timi nya managers ma omutimi manage omutam mwachi push omu atu you and you be a ban saying na unya as a beginner your borum sisi onya manager
nyame odom ena meni questionist kasa ye ho
questionist media excel na
yeah media excel
ono an okra mu a
ono okra me mu
oh okay
ono kra no force di can is enyeme no call TV because no we hu sa me relax do oh ma dom ne ka dem ai 2 years ago no time odi kofi sapo eba no yeah me share no license office ene kra na me woda ena me ne keka ya ba along the line mu na so tu kwanta na me hu no nti me colleague bi wo ho ne client no ne family store say
okay
ena ko se na star ba ne ho so be ye ne licenses ena me hu no na me no so me mbra office ti me ba office na o ma me to nyum se na me ye wo ya o ti voice ne pe no stay powerful so be sam say mature nyum bi so far and I was having a maybe 3 songs bi pe ena eduma ne start here nti media excel mu no mkuta me mu pa sisi
that's nice na o kano o ka sem bi se na ankenye pregnancy e ba mu a na ka by now the album na badada kra ne ade but because of that you have to put a hold because one per se or the bebana because of pregnancy tibia na went me and twaso ne ade matete say wako kan baby say omo kunum e manage as gospel musicians na ni kunu na ye ne manager no wrong na dangerous na enu ti na crown so pregnancy get kinti kra uja
oh that be enyasa nipa dia wo dream papa na wa dream bone ne nti ama pregnancy ne kra manya me mpesa me start ejuma na ma say ja to ho na makọ nti na me nim say me last pregnancy am ko mini nti I know me nko biom enu nti na ma me
ukunu so say
no say wa
nko biom
ma wotewe
edu ukunu say
what say oni say I say want me show bi want me fa woni aba nhwe entino anya say makoka say wrong say
but so do you still stand by that one because they say bloggers hit me can say we be na bi you still stand by it say no so you stand by it say dangerous say be ma
dangerous papa
manage you as a gospel act
I ma ware na nkasa
Are you dangerous man?
Dangerous man warrior na.
So you gospel artist na ukunu e manage you a.
Master Jay Mpacho. Chia mema. Omoya gospel musicians omoye na manage you. Mema say.
A man in time manage you.
Na Bema Ben Kwana. How many times now say Stonewide in the Yidi in the Chico stage? And I make a what myself. But a bounce Africa, a banner warrior ma, a mad dear, a bad dear, or bad dear, but that be. If you see some of my society, me person my warrior tree, me person me man my woman, or mobile worry bet 2 minutes, me on papa. Yeah. And to me person me go my warrior. Me know how to come out.
Who say, who could be your manager, no be who be I say, I
None says Sika to me to 2 animal them. Sika to me to 2 animal them. It's the moment I would do Kunaba or manager, no. Sikani in a corner, or Bama should do rounds. Me so abna kuna do say me na de me ma wo scanning your rounds and my husband at my sister abna na me can say me see di me fa wonya my manager me ko soft on the podcast na abna kuna do na ma me kuna be manage me ni e fi aware na ka ni je wo mu na aware mu nsensem ko
I love this conversation
me kuna ka be manager na me career na end
Papa Mills Munchana Munya arrangement now one of these days many abna kuna do nche that nase for a very long time now young born come on from rain industry there because we say onya say o make up and one no I say no can mum there no kwaso
100%.
Yeah then you me asisa. All right, so then you wrap up on that and then so now the song is everywhere. Video no so the mu ani ade baby. Okay, so how soon and I share nim kwan say album no so be ready?
Oh, you share up to by the maybe ending of this year, dear.
Now album number.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Say to me release it back home and become.
All right. All right. I'm never that was but just I was to no man be once because Charlie said they no bona or two aka na ko yie ma me no. Yensan ko biem.
Let's go. And no one yama woman yara didia. I said that woman yara didio. May fata sama dinyam side. I said then come and yami. And no one yama woman yara didio. I said that woman yara didio. May fata sama dinyam side. I said then come and yami. I said then and no one yama may fata. Onyame no mani panyanso mini so famopera ma babra na sasimi masida nyina komo kese no wate asidani ayeye ni kamfo ejena me di be mawo makwa wo safa me wa fa me badia masida koma wo kwa ayeye ne tonto ni kamfo ejena me di mawo asida
Nice one. Abna why Nina yeda wase pa nyame hwa so be san awie na ansan be jawa mu akokra no ayana omanfo besra me sei na me mom sa akonya no esan sempanifo aka to se enam edua so na homa ehunu so ntino ye ma akonya just under 1 minute omo person show appreciation to them na yen sorry so
that's impressive. Madam manager ase questionist any Regina me do masi bebre because enye nipa yina na di ebia manager timi form etimi push on baby omo dem ekono obia na so di promo ami ye nechi no bomb abaso se omo ye adwumaden because almost every radio stations be ayanam so ayemi adoma ye continue the masi bebre if you want so me my husband ase e won nti ase a de bi ode mame ene nipa bia o send credit ko YouTube ko tie menyum onipa bia o pe masam nyame nhura no me the license office fo nyina ase enwum ne ba ye no obia de ne ho ahyem sisi ame ne ko se kwahwe obia so ne phone o hwe your Facebook live enti me da obia o license office ase nipa bia wa boka wo me abra ko na du bia no nyame nhye na nemo me da ase
amen am for person mo follower social media
okay uko Instagram abna ko na du music
okay
uko Facebook nso abna ko na du music and na YouTube ye abna ko na du
all right abna da ase
and na TikTok TikTok is abna
TikTok nso di mo so that was abna ko na du me penny frankness pa okay so abusia me no she bibia say from last Wednesday ene ye de bewie ye nti wasum na eti de this way All right, so me no shame komo bia say under the theme believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Now Wednesday on the share and I say the world is a very mysterious place. What you send out comes back to you. And what you sow, you reap. Don't give in to failure. Know your worth. See, we are saying said the tieno the free unchen kono esan eba wonchen. Na san so na de utua no de udua no eno a na utwa. Enu ti se koba se nkugodie bo akwam na ugitum se wo de nkugodie na obedi a ene na sa na be kode ama wo. Ese se hu se osombo. Eno na ehwe no ukuda no. Na eno a first day de na ehwe no. But focus on say make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. Don't let others choose your path for you. Or say, sheye, and a one amfa omwa embu wono eniwa emu omwa omsusu se wo de mfaso bia ni oso no enhu ewo omo eniwa emu na memma ho kwan ema obi entwa sa no ema o ese wa utwa wo sa ese wa bo kwan ema obi mo kwan ne ma abrabo no ye wo na wo bo enye obi na ebo de ama wo ene de na edi etwa to no o say remember you get what you want yensan enfani bim okay o say remember you get what you work for and not what you wish for. Tilibimo. You get what you work for and not what you wish for. So never give up on life. Never stop trying and never stop believing in yourself. Yemfa last one be mene de na de bawie no. Or say, remember, you get what you work for and not what you wish for. So never give up on life. Never stop trying and never stop believing in yourself. Tia watwem no, ose kai nation so say. De wunya no, eye de utusu anamon. Na mmom enye de unya ya anka na bokom. Ye na tia obi o chale minya ya anka na anka me wo private jet. Minya na anka me wo mansion bi esi nsuo bi hu sa ne ade am so ya na nsuo ni ye. Oh obi anya ya, obi anka ope wishes there obi a timi wishi bia. But you don't get that. De unya no eye de utusu anamon de wo yeso adwuma. Eno ene bebo akwam. Enu nti no nyagidie ewo mu mempa aba memo obam emu ewo bra na wobo no mu koso ane koso ni nyagidie wo mu na eye adwumaden efa tide de ohwen achi na otena wa na say I wish this could come my way, I wish it will never come your way. But what shall see to so anamon believing in yourself now we nkakra kra ne baako ochina mienu ade achi baako ade achi mienu saano but I need to any so no obedu. So under the theme, believe in yourself. Yeah, I did 3 days prayer, no, and then any idea by you. It is my prayer. Say, what the better could to dream. No, what two swan among crack. Nah, the best ye. Ushiamu Krumu as Jerry 1,000 if I hear how far. Now my dawase, kama, Masaka chose in Yamisha or Libim Rebim. You know what I'm saying? DBS Industries, Adama, or my losing trusses. Yeah, and you know, would you crew dinosaur? Na fi what pay DBS Coloring Plus chance be at their bosso. Not just where we in the crowd. The DSC used to are losing trusses and say, we know na pro and a book that dear Hodema papa and a woman. I just say, come on. Your ma warranty 100 years. That is just a day. So say goodbye to Enriano. Ne use losing trust is even for good dinosaur na bibia enko yi emfa ema ona na kan so mu na ba betrim patro we cha kwan DBS Industries here Spring Test Road Ofie so anu adu papa restaurant obetimi afran ye be free estimate amount 0240 844 444 and afi 050 6004141 and your Kumasi phone number. Tag ready for there 050 6004242. Near Dinkomo Kama. Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot. And Pacho and yes, enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with German, Turkish, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Say yeah, exterior steel security doors and internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors and say armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door biano are available. A bonus with that from kama pa. Oba painter from where your partner with News Paint. Edition share by a friend of paint now, pay later. Beji Paint, Fako Paint 2 dino. Na yen spread this kind of amount. Ne tuan kakra Brian for interest bia ento so Emma war. It is schools, hospitals, churches, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Mo fam hunyim na mo kwaji paint bi fa twitwi mo dan no na enye kama. Yen Euro standard news paint no. It be acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any paint accessories I hold on any na the patrol here kwan ya wa Accra Kumasi highway no eso ya Pubiman to booth wana. In fact, so ujina Pubiman to booth wa when it to your shop no more. Fre 0542 745 222 afi 050 021 2447. Finally, your first day you ma MTN na ene wakofa free after one share ne aba. Emu da ho. Free kasa metintin bia opebia. Uwia pay for just the first minute of the call. They are kind of there absolutely free. Yeah, just say untua hwe enka ho. In addition, obese twatum na why enjoy 50 MB of data. Now they are browsing for free. When you design Shehua, pretty simple. Just dial *550#. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one now. Then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Abusia, on that note, never to see a bull room. Now, around the world in 5 minutes, which says cuts. We are for the weekend. Siwawa.
Brajery.
Jo na empom to say.
Brajery. Nyame Adom. The ake ni check balance na hwe.
Balance ya men tanka.
Brajery ma men kase.
Ya men tanka.
It is na Friday. You be say mko amesi.
Okay.
Brajery.
Yeah.
Na when you be did there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me easy.
Bia.
Me rice.
We me
Me rice, yeah.
Okay. No kontomra. Brajery.
Yeah.
Ya say Asia.
Yeah.
You be go weekend.
Yeah.
Yemfa enema bi ntu akiri. Na yenko.
Yeah.
Brajery.
Kasa.
Me be ka asama kire Ghana fo obi anye dinti.
Ghana food you.
Se Bema no. Wo ma wo oba na de, o chewade. Ohu. Na se wo ka thank you e kire no. Na wo bia na no ka say don't mention. My sister, your case is different. Brajery, wo sa oba no your case is different.
Se Bema no
O chewo be oba na de.
Na oja.
Na woje. Na wo
Now we now can thank you. Was it don't mention.
Hey.
Oh, different case.
Your case is different. Your case is different. Brajery. Ma mention one sign of a useless girlfriend. One sign
of a useless girlfriend.
Yes.
Girlfriend is a useless one.
Pa.
Okay.
Ubu wana sa okwasra be ma na. Bema ni yes oba be ye so media jai enu nti na wo frame wa ha na e na wo ka chem say sa de we yensi biem wo de tupunu nim we your last time we you the bubbler. Such a person Brajery we you the bubbler. On say Brajery say wo wiase mo na say wo de utimi point nipa mako 5 wo ka say omo ye stingy na che say wo sa nipa no sra de papa.
If you are able to tell say 5 persons in 5 different people in your circle omo ye stingy
na che say wo sa nipa no sra
de.
Yes.
Oh yes.
It means that sa wo sa nipa no sra de papa. Thank you.
I got you. This one 100%. Says hot Brajery.
Na just where they want you.
Where they them to do.
Brajery she mamintu manful. Asem we dey many bresem. Brajery. Bema wo be ya ade ama wo. Chese obema uska obeye obibia won't be so she in return. For your biological father. And yes, young boys, you're my baby.
Bema obey bibia mawa will give you everything you want and will not ask for anything in return. Not just your biological father.
Yes.
Yes,
this generation, never. Now, brother, you didn't know.
Oh yeah, Papa, now pay something in return.
Young Angelo, brother, I didn't know. And Mema pay or Boma Warena. Omo pe ma wo mu PPPA omo ko parties ni ade ade. Nanso mema na ko party na ma ni wa omo se party ni nyede. Ya mo den.
Say ye wo ma ye ni ye yi ni omo ye wa.
Brother, ma men come stories so. Me ya na maka ni enti ambai.
Okay.
We dem the pra kwa.
Ye go bate.
Na Friday. Brother, and the stories ni na fi Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah, almost frame or my stories about.
Oh, okay.
Say almost I don't know you go April.
Audience all wow. Onim's all international man.
Onimu.
Share. Onim. Tell her.
Now I say my account and then me call Uganda. Now me dey be UK ne. And then my stories in Uganda. Me answer free Uganda. Now me the South Africa dey na twem na mapon. Gradually. Ayazemu. Now with him yanko Uganda. Aye school be a your friend Christ the King Nursery and Primary School.
Ebi okrumu aso.
Ebu how? Okay. Uganda so ebi ho. Okay. Na brother runim. School authorities no. Akampo enkwala maku 34. Ai adenya. Omo de ka. Oma wofo apostpone sa intende. One match wom na kana nipa 34 no omkeka ka wom de eko 60 million.
Hey.
Enu nti no woma campo wom. Ese ende pa no otwa no. O ma me ba na obehiwa. Oba na obetua ne yeyiwu. Ne yede ne ba na ma nipa no. Sa na ezi omoye no.
Hey.
Mina mka kire o.
Wait a minute bi da o.
Hwe.
Really?
Ai.
Wow.
Nti no. Se u felisa unye ye no say o ma campus into be clear u fees na na ye uba Uganda wa police ni bi wo duty checkpoint and a bag bi si kwan eja police ni so okohwe bia na e bombo wo ko bie mu a na wowo e free bag nim e na to hwe no na police ni eja ni duty post we dwane.
Na anti wa obi John o wona beka.
Na ukutatu ye dem brother.
Debi no kokun.
Brother, you ukutatu.
Se wi ase aba na kokun o bi na fe dia. Ni ke se saka wa wo bi o. Maza. Hwe. No ba mi kra no mi police ni say owo ba kra. Me no flee. Ata dwane.
Sound.
Owo no. Ata we kwabna menza.
Kwabna menza no.
Me papa. Ondi ohun owo ha onku na onkoi. Baby o se owa bewura.
Such a man ye hia.
Obetutu ha nyama nyina je se wo hu owo na kunanza yeza wo bio.
Such a man na o hia o Uganda.
Not me.
Now Brazil. What's a bag? Now police na wo se kutatu.
Me so me de na directly opposite of me papa de. Me hu owo wa ha. Eho me fa ho bia mu da. Edi 20 years from me. Oh. Because I don't go there.
One for Papa Su.
No, maybe and the on one for I didn't person me first. Yeah. No.
Brother. Na ye kakata shene proye. Eba potokase mu aye say bribery and corruption.
Yeah.
Unim.
Yeah.
And yet unse eno no ewo baabi a o. Say me ka say me stories in Uganda.
Yeah.
Uganda wa no omo airlines e o.
Yeah.
Yes, sikan die no endoso hototo.
Ai. Won change this.
And eba ya na wo mu chedi. Eba ya na wo mu chedi brajeri.
Wow.
President Eddie Ababe Tuja was say omo hu nyina wo mo ye hwehwemu ye so mu a. Emra no e no be we ne tampe a enya asem ketwa.
Wow.
Omo e no be we pa. Brajeri. My last story.
Okay.
My story so. South Africa for I extended coronavirus vaccine to cover older women.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We say I ba omo de ma frontline workers no.
Yeah.
Yes. Almost extended no. Send be ya mbre one wo no. Omo like omo nini ma men katwi ni ye. Omo nini edu omo impeni mfie so no. Omo betimi aye den. Aye.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Into no that is Badgery, can I tell you something? No?
Okay, it's a weekend.
It's a weekend, right?
Flow.
Okay, thank you very much.
Flow.
Then every Ghanaian should pay attention to me because you see I am a queen. Badgery, yakasa bema faithful. Yakasa bema faithful. And ya bema won't funny irate you.
Now the funny
bema wo funny irate na mum yenche no. Aye. No,
wait a minute. Auntie,
yes.
It means we are faithful.
Oh, T. I say, you can't faithful. And you need pa. Just oh, yeah, one day you are funny reaching the aquaquatin baby. No, Momo, the away, no, so yan chain that when you're faithful. It is a night and into unfound it here now to our uncle, on your faithful. And you are being faithful, so into a make us say won fight ba me make say sa faithful na ye ka ni awafa enso yenche no on your friendship asabi am ken yes
enti ono hero hona utwa ho bat owere anchewa you are being faithful. Okay.
So I don't know where you're chill.
So my God, you say girls no be nyabo.
Right, yeah. Emba wamunda najo. TNE. Emba wamunda anajo. Wamo ena omotai ewa omoma eye juma as bookmen at the lorry station. Yes.
Says court.
Yes.
Says court.
Yes.
Says court.
Womundana.
How many times did I mention your name? Says court.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Well,
what's it? Emma. Omundana jo.
So when you so omundana jo no.
Sa man na omwa.
Yes.
Omata be bookman for stage.
Brother.
Yeah.
Mamenka one thing children I'm sorry.
Okay.
Mamenka one advantage. When you are living in a single room self-contained.
Okay.
One advantage a woman when you are living in a single room self-contained. You wake up and you see all your properties. You wake up, then you see all your properties.
Oh, where are the dance already?
Medi Edison Scott. Woko achimoda. Ye fe krobi kejebi. Na chese brother uka.
Na wejebi.
Na wejebi. French ni ebeka cho say je vais
Capel.
Na chese brother u tete se day.
Ye becho.
Brother makramo.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, where are they? That was around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. I agree. All right, so Nyame Adom no the chair next week Monday. Yeah, best at Nasibia. With Sir Scott na. There could be answer there to us. Jerry, kindly wish my brother, friend, and mentor, Sami Adote of Afanko Hills Estate, a happy birthday. Yesterday was his birthday. He's such a fine gentleman, very smart, intelligent, and hardworking. May all his vision and aspirations come to pass in Jesus' name. We love him so much. 5 more decades to do more. From Mrs. That's Mr. and Mrs. Captain. Captain is, I don't know. And the entire of Fancore Hills Estate residents. Okay. Do you hear me feel? Okay, I'll say greetings, Jerry. Please wish me a happy birthday in advance as I celebrate my birthday tomorrow. Bright of Adenta. And Jerry, please don't forget to send me something. Masa, oh the interesting new birthday. Never when you to me something also. Oh birthday ni baby. Happy birthday to my mother, Dickness Mary Amwakon of the Church of Pentecost, Teshinungwa Estate Assembly. May God continue to bless you. And talking about Church of Pentecost, said Yamiti, or Kase or Church of Pentecost. Church of Pentecost announcement quick one nami from Nyame eya Adom Sunday here ebe the chairman of the Church of Pentecost Apostle Eric Nyameche will be worshiping with us our Tema Community 1 English Assembly Timuna Mumra sorry Umeshia Chama. Yes. Now say Sunday we so ye kono traditional. Etuba on toma na obi free no free. Kinte na obi sha na wash kinte no wash. Kabane slit oh fine. And now say unya local print bi ni ade wapam African wear kama na show. Betu tuntuma tutu. But a Caribbean na obi sha so anu wash na kama. Fugu ni ade ya. What I say? It is especially pemem for no. A memani now be a mo basoria. Local yipa and kind traditional pa. This Sunday, as we meet our chairman, Apostle Eric Nyamiche, say on air Babe worship away Community 1 English Assembly, Tema, the Church of Pentecost. To be an Shannon. Na yon kon luka eshi luka tadiere na kama pa funshia chama fe you know what I'm saying nyamisha so be nisa. Okay, so another Friday unimsa Friday so there on this show bibia timisi. Now I'm about to do something on the show today, Freestyle Friday, right after this one.
Is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month? Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Benjamin! Kweku! Nkwadani na wa he. Akwesi.
Ante magi, ade na wo tiatia mu frefre wo mai anopotutu to sei.
Pepe se waboa me. Na me de momo no, ama ni sika.
Oh, ante magi jaisa. Se sei momo aye easy cra. Wo betimi afre wo momo. Eno ane se wo be dial 170. That's all. Mami chiro.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayem resei. Ena de bia me keke mo frɛ nkwada yi. Chia, afa.
Ma, o frɛ me.
De da afei na waba. Eye jai. Niama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi betwa wo momo. Eno ane se wo be frɛ 170. Na watia wo momo manu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbani ane awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170 and dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta. With the same refreshing flavors, muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double O. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Hello, Epacho Weni.
Hello, Ama Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa. When you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big boss. Nanso ansana benyesike. This money bribika krebi the home mobile money number you swa. Mobile money pin number count. The what you really at Jusika no. I simple crash.
Da wo ho so MTN adwumayɛfo mfrɛ say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansa na wabɛgye akyɛdeɛ bi a wadie ansa na wobɛdi akyɛdeɛ bi no na watoa ho akradeɛ kai sɛ womfa wo mobile money pin ɛma wo bia de bia da ɛyɛ wasum asɛm sɛ wopɛ mu nokora frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wɔmmoa wo ne nkyerɛmu wobɛtumi nso abɔ amanneɛ ɛwɔ mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing you know, a boy who buy every home. And now pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Madia to Musay.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
one of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Bernity Music Group and McDonald Group of Companies presents Unlocker Junction, the one-year anniversary virtual concert. Date is 22nd May 2021. Gates open at 6 p.m. sharp. Venue is the Bayview Village Atomic Junction. Experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. One God. The journey to Unlocker Junction will be full of non-stop excitement. For limited VIP experience and entry, call 0545-477-777 to make your reservations now. Log on to www.ticketmailer.com to stream live. This event is supported by Big Boss Energy Drink and Techno Mobile. All COVID-19 protocols will be strictly observed.
Proudly brought to you by Hits 103.9 FM, Joy Prime, Joy 99.7 FM, Adom FM, and Adom TV.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice. This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
All right, check the time now. 5 on the dot. Yes, it's 5 p.m. Now, me catch you say, yeah, baby, crab yo. Now, and Friday the own say na freestyle near there. Tino, me yeah, baby, crab ya man near there. Now, me babe shasi. Babe turn your kakra. What I say? Babe turn your kakra. Let's do something. It's Friday. Let's do something. Hey,
yo, Tommy, I know you want me boot up for you. Hey,
so you tryna always kind of me. I give my heart, oh baby, how could you let it slip away? Tremiodo, oh, Bema so me muye na me franco. Right, when you mem sleep on the ground, somebody from afar show me some love. Boy, you know I love to hold you down, babe. But we broke apart and you far away into I ferry. Boy, somebody from afar show me some love to I ferry. Boy, somebody come give me some more into I ferry. Boy, somebody from afar show me some love to I ferry. Boy, Papa don't go. Oh yeah, and the Ukofia you go see a girl insane. Oh gee, only for you, yeah. Baby don't go, yeah. And I say one man you go see a girl insane. Oh, only cause of you.
No, hold on, wait. Towards Kakami. Therefore, if I try, Mumra Facebook knows why. Mumra Facebook knows now. Mumra is why they why. Join me on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM, and come and see something. Your friend say?
Naja.
Naja, how old are you? What do you say?
I'm 16 years old.
16 years.
Yeah.
Naja. And you can sing like see Naja. My first line of the song, no, the a cappella without it. Just do something small. Yeah, Mumra Facebook, no, so Mumra. What?
Okay.
Naja, what mommy a cappella kakra, just one line.
Right.
Yeah.
I know you want me boot up for you. Hey, so you tryna always call me. I give my heart, oh baby. How could you let it slip away? Tremiodo, oh. Bema so me muye na me franco. Right, when you made me sleep on the ground, somebody from afar show me some love. Boy,
Jesus!
You know, love.
Wait. Yeah, sweet 16 Ankasapano. Hey! What? Charlie? No. Why not show how to sing? Like, why? Osrimi. Obiancho. One, Anna, you say you could sing and then you started.
Yeah.
What? So for how long have you been doing this?
Yeah, I've been doing this for I think 1.5 years.
Hey! No, who goes go away?
But I'm a Nkranman Senior High.
Eva?
Nkranman Senior High. Nkranman Senior High.
Senior High. Oh, Sunyani.
Yeah, Sekwa.
Yeah. And the honor.
But you're right.
Hey. Wait there, sister, you are messing. Hey, what a tyrant! Wow! No. Let's do the song. This one is Why You Afraid, right? Why You Afraid? And therefore, Mr. Mumra Facebook no so. Namu mention Naja. What? Let's do this.
Hey, Naja
Hey, yo, Tom beats.
I know you want me boot up for you. Hey, so you tryna always kind of me. I give my heart, oh baby. Man. How could you let it slip away? Tremiodo, Bema so me muye na me franco. Right, when you made me sleep on the ground, somebody from afar show me some love. Oh yeah, you know I love to hold you down, babe. But we broke apart and you far away into I ferry. Boy, somebody from afar show me some love to I ferry. Boy, somebody come give me some more into I ferry. Boy, somebody from afar show me some love to I ferry. Boy, Papa don't go. Oh yeah, and the Ukofia you go see a girl and say, wow. Only for you, yeah. Baby, don't go, yeah. And I say, one man, you go see a girl and say, yeah, only cause of you. Boy, I need me some more love, hey. So I gave you all my heart. heart. Boy, I need me some more love. Only me me to me know. Boy, I need me some more love. Hey, so I gave you all my heart. Boy, I need me some more love. Only me me to me know. But why I have fairy boy? Somebody from my fashion me some love. To why I have fairy boy? Somebody come give me some love. To why I have fairy boy? Somebody from my fashion me some love. To why I have fairy boy? I know you want me good up for you. Good up, so you tryna always kind of me. I get my heart, oh baby. How could you let it slip away? Try me your door. Bema so me muye na me from go. One day you might slip on the ground. Somebody from afar show me some love. Boy, you know I love to hold you down, babe. But we broke apart and you far away. To why I have fairy boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. To why I have fairy boy. Somebody come give me some more. And to why I have fairy boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. To why I have fairy boy. Yeah.
Whoa! Charlie, give it up tonight, your baby. Hey! Charlie, you blow my mind. Hey! No. Yeah, why not a show a new man?
The song there, I'm Trey.
One not sure this particular song why I very.
Yes, please.
Hey, now I cook one and someone no. Do you really understand what you're singing about?
Yes.
But you've not been in love before, I guess.
No.
Inti yes, crazy. You see there go, I am who. No. What do you know about love? And look at the way you're singing about love like this.
Like it's I used to like write things about things I see around and yeah.
Two show more for your mom. I have very now.
Yeah, no makikabo.
Hey, therefore, honestly, me who question I mean bisano. Hey, okay, so why are ferry you mean? For how long near or anyway about?
I think so. I did 6 months because it released in December last year. December, and I released in way, yeah, and it's really trending.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Charlie, I'm still shocked. Me honestly speaking, maintain your mono. So I say, maintain. And you know, I mean, hearing the song for the first time, like really. Hey, and I was say one out on your way.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you combine like school activities and you say wow, going to studio to record? It be answer about for interview near the how do you combine that?
Okay, so me be school na me ko campus there. Me janyum no Ofie then mako school mako suade because me the nyum na sign kan ho school ma me nya time in reading me books and other stuff. So me nya ko do campus there me the nyum na to nti say my training be da hokra na e wo say me train me ba fia then me nya free time na my nyum na so aka.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. On a day.
That's it.
We know to say and anyway no bonny Hey. Okay, so and you have another song, Jealous.
Yeah.
Now they all know. Wakokwa unya hushi wodum. Wabega say Obia ya afre and then Jealous. Okay, tell us about Jealous. Jealous no say about that.
Like Jealous is a song talking of how jealous the ladies are when they see their guys with another girls and others. So and then so me who ya fena me consulting me brother because me who I say so you can do something about it and you can name my boom na. Okay,
so you're still schooling, and at your age and music, and especially the kind of music you know, wow for saying no more editumufa.
Oh, my for the managing them now, and they are really supportive. Yeah,
your parents are supportive.
Yeah, Timbia, I'm supporting me 24/7.
Enti. Why are ferry? Said they were say like last December last year, and I'm with the Bible. So Wabontin baby on all the platforms amount for Pombinia now.
Yeah, all the guitar streaming baby.
So in Naja, that's NAJA. Why are ferry for people to get it? I mean, go get this song. Go stream it near there. NAJA, that's Naja. Why are ferry? Now, Namo Philippi. It's a beautiful song. Yeah, it's a beautiful song. Okay, let's listen to Jealous now.
All right.
Nayan Twaso.
Yes, it's so cold in my bed. And yes, oh boy, free some man on the gray. Oh yeah, so me love you, you can't hold me. You never ever let me go, give it to me. Show me something, you the ring on it. With your last name all around, my baby boy, you can't hold me. You never ever let me go, give it to me. Show me something, you the ring on it. With your last name all around, cause see the make of the color. You're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Cause see the make of the color. You're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Yeah. You know I love you, boy. Yeah. I love you, all the man you know. Same, MOP, auntie, tell me no. Same, yeah, my you know. Same, MOP, auntie, tell me no. Same, cause you done make all the color. You're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Cause you done make all the color. You're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Come on now, yeah. You know I love you, boy. Yeah. I love you, all of my cool men, you know. Say, I'm no guaranteed to me, no. Yeah, my cool men, you know. Say, I'm no guaranteed to me, no. Cause you don't make all the color, we're doing everything blue color. Don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Cause you don't make all the color. We're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. We're doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah. Cause you don't make all the color. We're doing everything blue color, yeah. Don't let me see you with another woman. Else you gon' make her go jealous, yeah.
Naja. We are too much, what? We are brutal. We are too much. We are too much. And you were some we are capella. But before that, let me ask you, who do you look up to?
It's Akwaboa.
Akwaboa.
Yeah.
Wow. Akwaboa. Yabekasa. Me point me fro. Yabekasa. Because if this young lady is looking up to you, Akwaboa say ye bibi. Because Akwaboa and I'm so glad say Wakasa Akwaboa because he's one of the very few guys you can't good music. What I say? Yabekasa. Yebedim komo. The necessary help there say ye demand say me a demand because this great talent I think we need to support you and then make sure you get out there because you make us proud. I just love your voice.
Thank you.
And I love your vibes too. It's cool. I mean, looking at a young girl like you at your level, I always say, wow. Mami jealous na capella kakra na yento aso.
Okay. Yes, it's so cold in my bed, yeah.
And yes, oh boy, free some man gonna cray. Oh yeah. So me love you come on me. You never ever let me go, give it to me. Show me something new, the ring on it. With your last name all around. My baby boy, come on me. You never ever let me go, give it to me. Show me something new, the ring on it. With your last name all around. Cause you the make of the color, yeah. We doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman, else you gonna make her go jealous, yeah. Cause you the make of the color, we doing everything blue color, yeah. But don't let me see you with another woman, else you gonna make her go jealous, yeah.
Oh no.
Gee.
Wow. Charlie. Wait, Bills. Sir, it do men I say when you're sleepless night you to me nasa or to one line come on that is here you are cool. Oh wow, Naja. Just me what me who come out cry me who come out me social media handles guys. I want you all to follow her. Let's give her all the support that she needs. Handles there.
Baby, Naja Empire, Instagram.
Naja, just a crowd there. I say, see, I'm crowd Empire.
Naja Empire. I'm a fan, so we are the share. So,
oh goodness. Okay, so that is a Naja with Empire, the actual spelling of Empire, right?
Yeah, Empire.
Okay, so
Naja
Empire, Empire on all platforms.
Yeah.
Guys, look for her, follow her.
YouTube no so here, so no so Naja Empire video no down to. What share you now? Subscribe. You
see that thing? So you have videos to the 2 songs?
Yes, please.
Wow. We'll check them. We'll check them after the show. Charlie, why need now? Why are there? Okay, so now that your songs are out there and doing so well near day and you still schooling it, they can't come win. They na Ghana for and sharing from Naja.
They should expect nothing but the best because after we see another banga, I can see no on my day when today she expect something big, something fire from Naja.
So it means you're still writing, yeah?
Yes, a lot. It will be very good.
and who are you working with?
I'm working with my manager.
Your manager? Is there a from the managers?
Yes, I will be an OBA.
Yes, I know. Oh, okay. That's okay. But the bit me I catch you and we're here for you, and I'm glad that producers near is okay. Let's put her on. Let's give her the platform because there's something good in her. Now your mom Fontaine and Kenya there and what because if I look at the comments that are coming in, even on my phone, the messages people are sending and all the things that they are saying about you, it's just so great. So they ever kind of say and then when it comes to your books too, Charlie, and also your word because and also equally important. Now feel I mean, we got your back. You best support to my BB so I come up. Right? Inti, yes, I'm feeling you look at Crankawana. Yes, yes, I'll call back to why I offer. And I said, I know your voice no stars. I said, don't kill me, Bizarre.
Hey, Naja Ferry.
Come on.
Yeah.
I know you want me boot up for you. Hey, so you tryna always kinda make me. I get my heart, oh baby. How could you like slip away? Tell me your door. Them must me we and I'm in Franco. Right. One team made me slave on the ground. Somebody from my fast show me some love. Boy, you know I love to hold you down, babe. But we broke apart and you far away. To I ferry boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. To I ferry boy. Somebody come give me some more. And to I ferry boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. To I ferry boy. Papa don't go. Oh yeah. And then go you go see your girl and say only for you, yeah. Baby, don't go, yeah. And I say one man, you go see your girl and say, insane, only cause of you. Boy, I need me some more love, eh. So I gave you all my heart. Boy, I need me some more love. Only mean me to me low. Boy, I need me some more love, eh. So I gave you all my heart. Boy, I need me some more love. Only mean me to me low. But why I fairy boy? Somebody from afar show me some love. To why I fairy boy? Somebody come give me some more. To why I fairy boy? Somebody from afar show me some love. To why I fairy boy? I know you want me boot up for you, eh? So you tryna always tell me, I get my heart, oh baby. How could you let it slip away? Show me your road. By my son, me muy and I'm franco. Right, one day you made me slip on the ground. Somebody from afar show me some love. Oh yeah, you know I love to hold you down, babe. But we broke apart and you far away. Till I fairy boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. Till I fairy boy. Somebody come give me some more. Till I fairy boy. Somebody from afar show me some love. Till I fairy boy.
Oh, Naja, you will kill me. See the way he laughs him. Wow, great. Naja, before you be jawa mawakon, let me ask you this question. And be very honest with me and tell me, Mami Wansano. Ayana usually from the early stages of most musicians, no. Ombeshe na obeka say, oh, mi swana mi hu se me was Adom 106.3 no, and I could sing and all of that, and na me toto nyum wa sorry dem sa na ade a na afi me dia bedu baby edu and e binim timi start na say with the gospel no sa na the choir, and then later on e bia obeko secular na ade a I mean elsewhere, not only in Ghana here pe na all the straightforward na wabudi room yi adentina wanya wadwen say e bia oni say the deni ade o de be gospel but o decide say secular now the bay.
Oh, me dey no me both gospel and secular ni am yin abo. Ti biadem betu bia. Na me dey am. Yeah. So biadem betu bia. So
it can happen that maybe you produce a gospel song.
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Yeah.
It's in that case, no. What kind of artist would you be then? Oh, artist, man. You may refer to you.
General.
Oh, general.
Yeah, general.
Yeah, Afro pop. Yeah, now yeah, dance on now yeah, highlife now. Oh, yeah, general musician.
Baby, I'm sure.
Oh man, I can't love you more. What's everything in general? All right, so Naja, I bet that was it for coming, and like I said, we're here for you. So all the support that you need, and we'll make sure say yes, yeah, the bema na why and give us more. What I say? Yeah, that's a power and be good. Why? Take care of yourself. What I say?
Okay. Yes, it's so going to my bed. And yes, I boy, if you say man kind of great. Oh yeah. Show me love you, you can't. You never ever let me go. Give it to me. Show me something. Do the ring on it. Your last name, all around. My baby boy can't hold me. You never ever let me go. Give it to me. Show me something. Do the ring on it. Your last name, all around. Cause you they make all the color. You do everything, do color. Come and let me see you with another woman. That was you gonna make her go jealous. You they make all the color. You do everything, do color. Come and let me see you with another woman. That was you gonna make her go jealous.
All right, so music at the back is Jealous from Naja. Yeah, Charlie. I was on patriotic and that's way in Sumami. You know, just like moms said the omunim, you know what to do in every situation. No, sa ne bano eye fortune rice and so. Rade with me trust this our brand way for all your rice meals for every occasion. Yes. The entire mechanic is we know it needs just a little amount of water. When you rice now, just say oh say baby we need be. And then you rice no so I just say we have na vina pacha there be and to say we the nsuo kakra bi dugu a ebeben kama eno a enye wese and then no so a enye peche ebe balance it correct and stick it together. Aroma no so there must say dry and it taste no delicious pepper beef. So if you are thinking of cooking jollof rice and now fried rice balls, in fact any rice dish biano, think about Fortune Rice. Choose Fortune Rice. Prepare Fortune Rice and eat Fortune Rice. Simple. Yeah, well, Fortune Classic and a green color no, and a Fortune Delight and also a orange and a Fortune Delicious and then a red pack no. Yeah, so go get yours now and you won't regret it. Fortune Rice, always on point, just like mom. No. Mama's I'm a green gown and we name it the pop. Why I have it?
I know you want me boot up for you.
Yes, you.
So you tryna always call me. I give my heart away, baby. How could you let it slip away? Show me your door. They must have me muy en el franco. Right. One day you made me slave on the ground. Somebody from my fashion, show me some love. Oh, yeah.
A happy birthday going out to Auntie Efia Yafo.
Love to hold you.
Wife of Yafo.
We broke apart in the fire.
May your days on earth be filled with love, happiness, and more blessings. From Obidum Biekwaku Edukumi, aka Woboja. And a happy birthday also going out to you, DJ Pantalon. May God bless you, yeah? And special greetings going out to you, Belma Dompre, all the way in Germany.
So I gave you all my heart.
Minia, I hope so be fine. Have a great weekend.
Boy, I need me some more love. So I gave you all my heart. Boy, I need me some more love.
Happy birthday going out to my mother, Dickness Mary Amwako of the Church of Pentecost, Teshinungwa Estate Assembly. May God bless you more and more. From your son, Felix. Felix, my few minutes, link you up. Why? I'm a tell catch you. Okay, let's jump into this one from Lord Morgan. Yep. And it features Bisake Day. Yeah. BT Wom. Freestyle Friday. A happy birthday going out to you, Emmanuel Owusu, aka Commander of ECG. May your path be lit with your new age. We wish you God's blessings and grace. From Josh Tigo, my PD, and the Lopi family, wishing you a happy birthday. Happy birthday also going out to Mr. Edward Asante of Koforidia Sectec Accounts Department. May the good Lord bless you and bless your new age as well. From Mr. Mark Japon.
Nice to me if I don't get no money. You do money. Be a no time I somebody. And it means me like I don't get money. Be a no time I somebody.
My my good friend Papani, aka Osophagus, or the Bakwa Tumba to the Emuda Oboko Timiame. I said, bro, please wish my daughter Manuela Asiye Selassie Ama Gadogbe a happy birthday for me. She's 16 years old today. May the good Lord grant her all that she wishes for herself and more from her parents, Nyabro and Nadu, siblings, Rudolph and Meg, and the entire Gadogbe and Ago family. May her days be blessed. Somebody, let me say somebody, special good evening going out to you, Nanaya and Nadepa, and to you, Kwame Afram. Yeah, me shut tobacco pen. I was your TNS Shannon song, the Benetton Music Group and McDonald Group of Companies at the Angloga Junction, the 1 year anniversary virtual concert. Nyame Adom China Saturday the 22nd of May 2021. Gate opens at 6 p.m. Our Bayview Village, Atomic Junction. Come and experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer, one God. And there's gonna be never heard before renditions of your favorite songs. Yes, performed by one God himself this Saturday. For a limited VIP experience, call 054-547-7777 to make your reservations. You can also log on to www.ticketmiller.com to stream live at 30 cities only. This show is sponsored by Adom TV, Joy Prime, Joy FM, Hit FM, and Adom FM as well. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed. Me patro me ba be chewa de me be bie phone lines no na wa frame me. Oh. Amanfo bebre afrefre me bia send me messages. Achede a royal aroma for the amanfo pa no. Charlie, no mo aninda. Wo so deserve bi wate. You to forget some. Make your family people know say you to you day. No be da bia akrofo be dia achede na akosa na ote osa. Enti me ba na mo bia o manatum. Royal aroma fortified rice. Yendi hunkomo. Neji achede ni bi. You to deserve something good, minia.
Umami nyapa no a ofume duane no. Unya bema no a de bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rosisia.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we de mi tu.
Watamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni ho a na duane di asesa. En Kenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwadin krato yato.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Say, minia. I don't know how
Kwame, many me busia for one money who can see me bank it in Yamobio. Sisia na wakachem say, oh, my busia me pediri yen jumano. Banking kindness surgeons who are a chamber.
I can also come with dada. Mammy come for Societe General Ghana Mao. Sabusiawi, or betting no text Simape, SG Ghana Bank in Kunya. Now, Mammy ya to me a show of free school fees on them. As I am gay and Kasai Jimakakray, while ye can seek a similar to so, I want yammer. Sabusiana Uhiadia, and the SG Ghana Bank, Bribia, or Mammy si went from cry. As I mammy bra, me betua, and Mammy wanting me. It's me Poco Drabusumi Lucia, Minia, or Fata Bankia, who bet me at GD. Now don't want to so. The Adom soon ajo. Societe General Ghana, any day ye power sitting in woman who you name, the Mabusia ye power, not a hunsi musu from cry. Koyan Krabate Diana woman you know BM, but you will see some home. Societe General Ghana, that in your wankasa, Santo Abu baby, you will put on Sabosumi, and the Tosuduncia, I think Pimian need you know.
Jedie wo melkom ayeke se asanso ayesron kokra esan se melkom wonyama impimpim awodro wo ne shop mo te se electricals efie nyoma enkunya electronics edemo siesie nyoma eni nduane awodro bebre intino amadwedie aye enika enichisem melkom biaya dwedie nyina wo faako nanso kai se Mrane Shishayeda home. Melkom, where Ghana shops.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry.
The most eagerly awaited Manchester derby.
Devastating heartbreak.
He didn't get the goal there.
And historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. See me with our Keska. Charges some 380 cedis. What send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. I say me network need there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash so are free. What send this ka free Vodafone cash. I got network bia so and so you free. Masa it work catcher. What that so you then was our network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash say hey masa you chip not to ball am see I know say there. What send this ka with Vodafone cash so I got network bia so are free. Send this ka do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial *110# say in send this ka.
Hey, no, what you ready? Into what senior ma? Yeah, what is something special become mania shepeana? Adio. Aha, Samika. Oh, maybe omonesi. Omo kwa. Omo dine boshe soda. Ne tutunke kadia si defe. Sese so die. Ni ram no chankasa. Omo die. Dada, na koneni. Na fragrance no.
Chewonta dia musa. Omo extra fresh. Etutunke kadia se kura. Ejabdi enkrat wo FD ahwehwe mu agya tum say ye.
Eternity Music Group and McDonald Group of Companies presents Unlocker Junction, the 1-year anniversary virtual concert. Date is 22nd May 2021. Gates open at 6 p.m. sharp. Venue is the Bayview Village Atomic Junction. Experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. One God. The journey to Unlocker Junction will be full of non-stop excitement. For limited VIP experience and entry, call 0545-477-777 to make your reservations now. Log on to www.ticketmailer.com to stream live. This event is supported by Big Boss Energy Drink and Techno Mobile. All COVID-19 protocols will be strictly observed.
Proudly brought to you by Hits 103.9 FM, Joy Prime, Joy 99.7 FM, Adom FM, and Adom TV.
Abra yegusua de nkabom ekwatia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ema wa kwanya hodwa. Wode betena fie. Abo ho ban na watumi de usikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so forma ne sika. To credit, to our bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika puduo na oni en didra. For your internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma okwan ma ofa abefu siketua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi Walker, one for Sikapotin, Entia, Ecobank Mobile, and Neya will Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and now Bosta 770 hash, and will phone Biaso, Nasha Se Dija, Ecobank, General Ho, Kaisa Obama Quine, Adaunia for Frontem, Eata Horo and Sa, and Afi, and phone San Kiko and him. So here, Mwebia, for Ecobank Contact Center, it was 0800 003225. I won't Tiashi, and now Fermo, it was 0302 213 999. Abrebia. Debia. Tnefina Bohubai, Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Super Yogo contains vitamins and minerals good for your body and well-being, like vitamin B2 and B6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And calcium for healthy bones and teeth, so you can go that extra mile with a smile. Enjoying natural goodness and nutrition with new Super Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey, Ama, Missy Ne, boy be a Missiano. Real deal, package ankasa. Tall, dark, pink lips, muscular with six packs. Handsome, with designer clothes and shoes, baby. Girl, he wasn't playing at all. Hey, that. I was eyeing him the whole time. Sonia Mitchell, I strategically positioned myself in front of him. And then he opened his mouth and said hello. We're ready. Hey, slow.
Don't let this happen to you. Use the new Blue Close-Up Cool Breeze toothpaste. It comes with a new minty flavor for long-lasting fresh breath. Stay fresh with Cool Breeze, because blue is the new cool. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was send me the mobile money. See me with our cash card. Nanso charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there some $10 so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Na say me network ni there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na emum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are you free? What's send this free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swap. And so you're free. Masa, into work catch me. What does so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey, Masa, you ship not to ball musia. I know. Say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash? So I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR. Got network BR so free. Dial star 110 hash says yeah in the send this.
Ah, and then one best school in any. Class prefect, Obiaway.
Say, one when I are real. You tested me who say malaria.
Someone to 20 and your woman to couple. Na senya once na so deal for to me dear from which you call some adono. Sounds on a one that treated net more and tuntumbe to me are real woman malaria. One shot, no one decan was some adono.
Say, Nippa bebrea sweating and tuntum dash and a drono, one when the mo, and tintum rewomo, Name dear, and I do be a metam insecticide treated net as say, and the meta asum geomily.
Dada na juwo mia bebre no ano amanfo da treated net as it is malaria kwan da won tontom dynasty debia na jumo ni nyina emfa baby obeda emma bibia so nsi kwan good life abrabopa boniye and Kaibwe Ghana Health Service USAID anyone aboafo enebebre.
Kwame, hey, Jumerano no me who what ho?
Uni asise de printing juma na say you can asam high into customers in juma ni nego. In fact, hard yankasa.
Chale.
Hey, ba unia why adio? Into me to generator ke say, hey, koye mo.
Unia, manto, me rente ye.
Hey,
Any generator experts for ya when a helium. Anointed Electrical Engineering Services Sanye Rentals.
Hey, Chese, we eat one or ton generator and spare parts papa. Nessa on after sale services on Chronoa. Almost Sanye Rentals.
Sa pepe. Anointed with generators and who be bria. Now who in free 5. Equals 1,000 kV on the high.
So I'm on the number 77 Anointed House here. A woman lang wadoko kwa inoso.
Mo kumasenso Anointed was city style dynamo ewa makum waben HFM. Na Anointed and Krabate war manyumu be bianzo gusu bejuma. For hotline 0243 480 334. Anointed Electrical Engineering Services. Still generating more before.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Tune it in.
Jomi Chowmanatum from Nedi Bibi. Like I said before the break, you two deserve something. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Akuma Mazimbi. Meda. If I talk from Cecilia, a Royal Aroma fortified rice. Not young koyanim. As I said, unsutimi nya chedi ni bi. What I say? We can do any other. What I say? My yeshi. Bro. Hey. My yeshi. Miss my yeshi. First caller. Hello. Good evening. As I say.
Adom, 10 years, you are from now.
Sir?
Hey, Jerry.
And another one day, was I coming?
Me, we need the bank already pizza.
Hey, sir. Anyway, you bring Patrol to a question. What I say?
Patrol.
Then, benefit. And I yenya edifi iron. I way you do anymore.
Vitamin B6.
Sister, to was it. Me say, iron. I away you do anymore. Eh? A damn faso den a demain.
Am I
a boom? Okay. Now, nutrients bang and a knee, ya dear Royal Aroma fortified rice no.
Vitamin B6.
B6 and a debium. B3 na fe debium.
9
and 12 and a deacane. Iron, okay. Now you can say balanced diet and I patch saying.
It's a diet.
Then.
All the essential nutrients.
Okay. You. Etikoswanity. Now be think. Hi. We're starting to jubilate already. Next caller.
Hello, Jerry.
Yes. Good evening.
Pacho, good evening.
Boss, you never say.
Pacho, friend, Oshafu Benson, Kantanka.
I feel your voice, power. Let me check your voice, power.
You
know who? Why? Okay. Now, you can say the only fortified rice in Ghana. Not rice being home common yedi.
Pacho Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Okay. Now, nutrients being NNA yedia beka Royal Aroma fortified rice no.
Pacho zinc.
And a day.
And a vitamin B3.
And a day.
B9 and a B12.
Okay. For we and chatwo then nutrients and a war Royal Aroma fortified rice nimwa. A bois emma a boost to your immunity. Okay. Bema make us say woman anymore na why are there? It equals sweating na better and kawaii. Oh, Masha, I said you will eat you. Okay. Oh, man. You're trying to find a next call and I am trusting you. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Patrick Frost.
Yes, I'm Andrew Harding. Papa.
Yo, Andrew Harding, also, questions they did this way. Well, I'm going to then rice. And I the only fortified rice we're gonna.
Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Okay. Na nutrients ben and I the asheshe sa Royal Aroma fortified rice even.
Vitamin B3, B6, B9 and a B12 and a zinc and a iron.
Okay. Now talk about nutrients ahodo a ewo mu no anye bia no emu de enwe na eboama etimi ema hemoglobin ewo ye nipadua mu no ekosoro
zinc no ene iron no
opani ba ko pe ni mienu na ntimi nya dwuma kro no sa zinc na dwuma nko iron na dwuma nko enti which is which
me pacho ene iron no
okay
ni pa body ni nya iron pa
ayampa udem cause we tie na beti enka you fire last caller now you fancy hello
Bajay.
Good evening
Bajay.
me pacho your friends and you
From Gloria, because I see myself home.
My girl, Bibi Aboko.
Bye.
Okay, o question e di kan ni.
Okay.
Nutrients ben na ewo Royal Aroma fortified rice mu a eboa e boost your immunity.
Pacho zinc.
Okay, and na mame nutrients ne aye di ahye mu yi.
Pacho iron. Vitamin B3, B6, B9, and a B12.
Enti dia wo kan nyina no rice ben wan asem na ye kan say yi no.
Pacho Royal Aroma fortified rice.
Good. It used to cost 118 na beti en kan.
Okay.
And ne kra no man shed down mom filas ah man shed but and then when ya bom ho modin pa. That measure that cancers nini ade adna before I start the crowd is always away. And then my idea. I go put the ring on your finger. Anyway, Enkoma Nana Romeo. Make sure what so music at the back is coming from Nake and it features Akan and they call this one Finger. This one goes out to Nana Romeo. Not anyway, so Enkoma Dr. Pounds. Dr. Pounds. Or say, I go put the ring on your finger. The weekend we make the ring cry upon the finger, you know what I mean? Oh, Mini Akabna Mesa. Congratulations, what is? Why need
tell me, I will give you more. Anything you need, give me cocoa for me. If you want the water, I'll go buy it for you. Say mountain is good, say far more before. Make it happy. I
Pacho, a quick announcement for the general public, especially the adults. Pacho, and then you may Odahumaso Ebabaso Adom TV so. Now, according to Akuma Mamazimbi, host of Odahumaso, the sex doctor, aka Mida, aka Joe. Akuma said Nana Dri, I want Adom TV so Odahumaso. They are talking about oils. I'll go buy oil for you. Say, I see we are in the oil near there. Impressive, yeah. Make a date. Shouts to Vodafone. Vodafone saying Kancho said there's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more, just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. Mr. Alex Asare Ado, aka Conti. Yeah, na can you wear Labadi Beach Hotel? Near Efimu ya. Mrs. Rosalind Asare Ado. Na what you best koye and na yo eba so. Na ose oda Ghana man phone nyina ase ene adofo ne abusuafo ne jamfo nyina ase se mo beta na chief fefe kama e ma okra na iri nyame hwa mu nyina de mo hwere wono ho adagye musika mo bibia woni onyama mo de beta achi na nyame hwa mu nyina abusia yenya so na fe enwume no sia kase bonso emra. One more time. This one is coming from Naja. Why you ferry? I love the girl already. Yeah.
I know you want me Buddha.
Oh.
I give my heart away, baby. How could you let it slip away? Show me your door. Never send me muy en el franco. Right. One day you made me slave on the ground. Somebody from my far, show me some love. Oh yeah. You know I love to hold you down, baby. But we broke apart. Somebody from my far, show me some love. Somebody come give me some love. Somebody from my far, show me some love.
Hey, you bring a boy as a bonny ben as a nature. Where do you know? We don't got let's just build the other crying. We don't got let's just get you as a bit.
I'll tell him where they know at some corner.
Yeah, conseil Cape Coast. We don't have a train. Yeah, conseil Cape. Yeah, you may have share anywhere about this weekend. Cape Coast, yeah, they are. It's your friend Cape Coast weekend.
Somebody from my fashion, some love. Somebody come give me some love. Somebody from my fashion, some love.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with a freestyle edition of your own show. Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.